Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today I'll show you how to replace an MR16 halogen bulb with an energy efficient MR16 LED bulb. This is a bathroom, so they are 12 volt MR16 bulbs. You shouldn't have 240 volt bulbs near your shower or bath. If you're in any doubt, consult an electrician. This bathroom has got 3 bulbs, an LED bulb there, a halogen bulb there, and another halogen bulb here that has blown. So I'm going to be replacing this with an energy efficient LED bulb. First thing you must do is make sure that the light switch is off. Just a word of warning, if you're replacing a working halogen bulb, let it cool down first. These get extremely hot, and if you touch it, it will melt your skin. So definitely make sure it cools down before you remove it. Then get a stool to stand on or a step ladder. Then take a small flat bladed screwdriver and just gently start prising away the housing. Don't go in too rough, just gently prise that out. And then on this particular one, just gently wiggle it about, and then it just pops out like that. And it's got written on the side there 12 volts, maximum 50 watts, but that is a halogen bulb. Halogen bulbs get very hot, so it's good to replace them with LED bulbs, which don't get nearly as hot and are much more energy efficient. Now, to remove this bulb, you gently have to prise out these metal springs on either side. Just be careful, because on these ones they're quite sharp. That's that done. That's got a few bits of debris on the glass, some dead flies, so just give that a good clean. There, that's that done. Then you just need to unplug the bulb. So just pull it out towards you, get a good grip on the plug end and pull it out. So it's just 2 small pins and it's 12 volts, 35 watts on this bulb. Now you can replace this with a similar halogen bulb, but I'm going to be replacing it with an LED bulb, an MR16 equivalent. Now there's lots of different types of LED bulbs available. This is the one that I'm going to be installing. Just plug that in, get a good grip on the cable and the plug, and then push the bulb in. Now before we put it all back, it's worth checking. Fabulous, that's working. Brilliant. Right, turn the light switch back off, and then we'll install the housing and put the bulb back in the ceiling. Again, you're just pulling the springs out until that bulb sits in the glass. It's quite tricky to maneuver it in. And of course, once it's in, as you push it up into the ceiling, those springs get squeezed inwards and that holds the bulb into place. But before you push it back up into the ceiling, make sure the plug is in correctly. Okay, that is now ready. And just gently push it up. It just pops into place. If you find it's a little bit loose, you can pull those springs outwards just so that they grip a little bit better. Now let's check the light. Fabulous, that's a bit of money saved on the electricity bill, not a lot, but also those halogen bulbs burn really hot, and if you've got a bulb which is low like this one here, it's very dangerous to have a halogen bulb because that can melt your skin if you touch it. As I've mentioned earlier, there's lots of different types of LED bulbs like this particular one here. Whilst I reminisce about my life, in the top right there's a video on how to defrost your freezer easily in under 15 minutes. And in the top left, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing. And in the bottom left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. I hope that was useful. Time for a cup of tea.